what you want, what you want, what you want. Tell me what you want, what you want, what you want. Tell me what you want, what you want, what you want. Tell me what you want, what you want, what you want.
Just tell me what you want, what you need, what you see, what you wanna be. Tell me everything, think it into being. That's how dreams become the real thing. A model of thinking, a bottle to sink in, yeah. I've been coast to coast around this whole globe. I've seen a lot of hope, yeah. I've seen a lot of nope, I've seen a lot of growth, but we can make it more, yeah. I'll tell you what I want in the middle of the club. I'm dancing up on my chick, I'm showing a little love. I'm listening to this track, got the speakers above, and feel like everything is coming all together at once. I want a good life, good nights, good friends, alright. Make a couple dollars from something I love to do right. Live my young life, grow old with some memories. Living each day with a good vibe energy. Tell me what you want, just take a thought and make it happen. The only way to live up in this life is with some passion. Don't let this life just toss you by, get up and take some action. Just tell me what you want, go take a thought and make it happen.
Rona po, Rona. Ma'am Rona. Andrew.
Anong kapalis na lang?
Andrew, sir. Kalado yan. Ikaw na din next, sir.
Balik na lang.
Wala pa yan.
Nakapangalan ka lang.
Wala.
Pangalan ko. Para pagbalik mo lang ito. Ilis na. Ilan ba? Yun na.
Baka ako makakapos.
Meron. Sige. Para dito na ako kuya sa alam.
Pag-ganito eh.
Magkano po?
Lalo na lahat yun niya.
What's whole chicken? Whole chicken.
An po, an. Pangalan, sir?
Raymond.
Kaya saan nakakaano? Pangalan, sir? Malis ka.
Boss, nandiyan na yung sa akin, ha?
Fresh yan.
Excuse me.
Ano po eh? Ben po, Ben. Ay, sir.
Ako yan. Boss, isang kalahati na lang sa akin, ha? Raymond.
Pangalan?
Eh, ito ba ba?
Saan ba may siguro ito?
Grabe! Akala ko. Ito na naman ah. Baka naman yan si kuya. Teka yan sa atas pansit. Ayan to.
Pre.
Ngayon plato. Baka na may kla.
Opo, sorry.
Kami dyan! Ngayon!
Kain tayo!
Bigyan na kita.
Oh.
Bigyan dito tayo.
Opo.
Oh, bayaran mo to.
Kano ba yan?
Hindi lang, mama.
250? Wow!
Tara, bayad.
Ito hindi ba po na rep? Take out, okay.
Kano yung ganyan ay? Isang balot?
100 po,
Oh.
200 lang lang ito lang.
Kamura.
Ngayon, mami siya lang.
Yelo pa ba? Yelo pa? Hindi na?
Kain kayo, sir. Mahal bakwa kayo dyan. 50 lang yan, 50. Mahal bakwa, madam, mahal bakwa. 50 baso, 50. Ay, mahal bakwa, madam. Libre tikim yan.
Apat na araw ah. Apat na araw hindi kumain ah.
Diet na to.
Magkano naman yung ganyan?
150 lang po yan. Kahit pang 2 taon na po yan. Tawag dito yung Patamax, 150. Ang 2 taon na po yan. Ano siya? Bulalo siya na puro laman.
Yo, sarap.
pulot o. Hello po. May pang lima to?
Wala naman piso. Wala ako, pangapat na lang. May ilo ka ba?
To the mall, let's check the department store. Supermarket, arcade, always something more. Renovated now, but memories still shine. In every corner, narinig ko pa ang tawanan. Wow, Ben, take us to our favorite mall. I miss the Philippines, I miss my childhood memories. Wow, Ben, wow, Ben. Online friends, Chick Dochi and Edlin, oh my supportive diba. Ursula, oh Ursula, ikaw ang noisy star, ang galing mag-English. Ikaw ang bida sa chat, kakarating lang ni Julia, galing at sa La Pacha. Sinamorol at Ivan Reyna for school. Perky F and CJ Walks, let's start the premiere now. Malls to Ayala Malls. Just comment down below for our next adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tara na, sama na, let's go.